This is Biotronix pelvic muscle trainer KM516B model. You can see the device looks like that. This is the device. This is the battery operated device. You can see I have already inserted the battery, and this is a portable device. This is the cable with the same, and this is the vaginal probe. You can see the vaginal probe. If someone don't want the vaginal probe, we will provide the anal probe also. This is the anal probe. We won't provide vaginal, we will provide the anal with the same. If someone wants, because the device is supplied with the vaginal only, but if the patient, if someone don't want the vaginal, we will provide the anal and we will keep the vaginal only. And if someone wants both the probes, the vaginal will be with the device and the price given, anal price will be added in the same. So this is the probe. I won't open it because this is a sanitized one, and we have to set the same with the device. I have the demo probe with me. You can see this is the demo probe, and I will show you the demo with the chip. So I will insert the wire in the same, and the demo probe I will take. I will insert in the same, the two ends. Now you can see I switch it on the device by pressing this power on key. When I long press the key, it will switch on. And it is a battery indication. The device is having 8 modes, P1 to P8. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8. You can see P1 time already preset at 20, P3 20, 40, 20, P6 15, P7 30, P8 30. So what P1 and P8, everything is mentioned in the manual. You can see this is the presetted program P1 to P8 according to the condition, and P1 you can see the reference of all the parameters set it up to P8. So you can see I will also tell for which condition what are the name of the P1 to P8 modes in a while, and now I will tell you what are the P1 to P8 modes. And so P1 mode is for the prolapse treatment. So P1 is for the prolapse treatment. P2 is for the urinary incontinence. P3 for the stress urinary incontinence. P4 urgent urinary incontinence. If someone is having the urgent urinary incontinence, can't hold the urinary right, P4 is the program you have to select. And P5 is the mixed urinary. Sometimes very high, sometimes it's okay, then you can use the mixed urinary. And P6 is for the endurance training. So if the muscle you have to going to go for the endurance training, then you have to select P6 training. P7 for the muscle sensitivity training. If something condition is related to sensitivity, like intimate satisfaction and sexual satisfaction, then you can go for the P7 training mode. And P8 for the comprehensive pelvic floor exercises. P8 for the pelvic floor exercises. This is the combination of programs. So these are the 8 programs I have already told. For the prolapse treatment, for urinary incontinence, for stress urinary incontinence, for urgent urinary incontinence, for stress urinary incontinence, and for mixed urinary incontinence, for endurance training, for muscle sensitivity training, and for comprehensive pelvic floor exercise. So every aspect of the same is covered in all these 1 to 8 programs, P1 to P8. So like if I select the P1 program here, you can see the time is 20 minutes, currently it is intensity is 0. We have the option for the intensity 1 to 60 level. There are 1 to 60 levels of the intensity. Now I will show you the demo of the device. I will have to insert the probe in the vagina, or I am holding the same like this, and I am showing you the demo. So once the probe is inserted in the vagina using the lubrication and all, you need to select the program. I have selected program 1. Now I have to increase the intensity. 1, 2, 3, 4. Timer will automatically start when I will increase the intensity to 1. From 0 to 1 and onwards. You can see timer is decreasing, and I am feeling the sensation in my hand. I am feeling the microcurrent in my hand, and I am feeling the contraction and relaxation. So you can see this is the rest and work. Work means I'm getting the stimulus, I'm getting the contraction, and rest when I'm not getting the microcurrent, I'm getting the relaxation of the muscles and in the resting. So this is the already presetted program. I have selected this one. I can increase intensity up to 1 to 12 like this, 13, 14, and you can see I am feeling the same in my hand. And if device is very intelligent, and if by chance the probe is not in the contact with the body at both the ends, like if I open the same, you can see it will indicate you electrode fall, because the probe is not in the contact with the body, and it will show you the electrode fall. And I was using the intensity as 17 or 18, but it will go to the 10 level, because if the same is again coming and again into contact with the body and the intensity is high, the patient may get the feeling of shock. But this device is quite intelligent. It will make the intensity to default at 10, and it will indicate you electrode fall. So the intensity will go less, and then you can go to the 0, and then you can go to the 0, and you can reinsert the probe, and that indication will go. So like this, I'm getting the intensity in my hand, and when I drop the same, electrode fall, and it will go to 10. And when I contact the same, it will go. So this is the intelligent indication to prevent electrical shock and feeling of the electrical shock. And now what are the various conditions which can be improved and which can be cured with that device? I will tell you. I will tell you in which conditions the device can be useful, can cure and can relieve in the same, because the device is focused in improving the muscles, pelvic muscles strengthening and all. So every organ which is supported by the pelvic muscles, because there are a lot of organs which are supported by, like bladder, uterus, ovaries, and prostate and all. So if the muscles of the pelvic area is getting strengthened, then all the problems will be resolved. All the problems related to those organs will be resolved. So now I will tell you in which conditions it will help you to prevent and reduce pelvic floor problems. Obviously, it is strengthening the muscles, so it will improve the pelvic problems related to all the pelvic organs and all. It will be using the urinary incontinence, as already cleared that muscle strengthening will muscle strengthening of pelvic area will improve the incontinence condition. And it is also used for the increase in sexual satisfaction. When the pelvic floor muscles are stronger and strengthened, then obviously sexual satisfaction will be improved. It is used to treat vaginal, uterine and ball prolapse. So all the prolapse related to the organs like uterine, vaginal or ball, it will be helped, because the muscle strengthening will occur, because previously the muscles was very loosened and very weak. So now the device is strengthening the same, so all the condition will improve. Help and strengthen muscles that have become weakened following childbirth, hernia and other operations. So in hernia operation and the childbirth, when the muscles of the pelvic floor get weakened, device will strengthen the same and the condition will be improved. And also it will increase the intimate sensation, because cell wall, because vaginal wall and all these are, and the male private part, all these are linked with the pelvic floor muscles. The stronger the muscles, the more the intimate sensations, so hence it will increase the sensation. Also it is having the program in the same for increasing the same. And it will strengthen the vaginal walls, and it will improve the sexual life also. And basically all the organs like bladder, uterus, ovaries and fallopian tubes, vagina, prostate and seminal vessels, these all are supported by the pelvic floor muscles. So when the muscles are weak, we will get the condition related to these organs. But if we use the device and strengthen the muscles of the pelvic area, then all the problems related to these areas and these organs and the device will be automatically cured, and we will get the relief. So hope who can be use that device. Physiotherapists can use that device, and gynecologists can use the same, and the same can be used in ICU because this is a compact device, and the personal patient can use for the personal use at home also, because the patient has to select the program, run the program and use this one, because there is no need to set the parameters and everything is fitted in the same with the condition. So patient just had to use the same and get the relief. So I hope I have explained everything in the video with all the aspects and everything and parameter and demo and everything. So I hope the video is informational, and Biotronix here international is importer of the same. So you can contact us. You can reach us through call or reach us through WhatsApp, or you can email us. You can buy the product on our website, or you can mention your queries in the comment section or your number in the comment sections. Our sales team will contact you and they will explain you everything. And thank you for buying, and please share the video with the others who are definitely in the need of the device. And also please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all these informational videos related to all other device which we are going to keep on posting. Thank you for watching.